M.A.K.E Alaska, M.A.K.E Nevada, vet tech student studying for my final exam. This is about 1/3 of my medical terms. I have another video where I did prefixes and suffixes. Now we're going to do A through L of the roots. So a root would usually have a combining form, which is like O, and with a prefix in front or a suffix behind. All right, so here we go. Acous, acuso, hearing sound. Acous, acuso, hearing sound. Acr has ACR, acre, acro, extremities. Acre, acro, extremities. Aggluten, agglutino, clumping. Aggluten, agglutino, clumping. Albin, albino, white. Albine, albino, white. Ambly, amblio, dull, dim, weak vision. Ambly, amblo, dull, dim, weak vision. Ano, anus. Ano, anus. Ander, andro, male. Ander, andro, male. Angie, angio, vessel. Angie, angio, vessel. Aquae, aqueo, water, watery. Aquae, aqueo, water, watery. Arthur, arthro, joint. Arthur, arthro, joint. Attell, atello, incomplete. Attell, atello, incomplete. Ather, athero, fatty substance, plaque. Ather, athero, fatty substance, plaque. Audi, audio, hearing, sound. Audi, audio, hearing, sound. R, aro, ear. R, aro, ear. Balan, balano, the glans penis. Balan, balano is the glans penis. Bi, bio, life. Bi, bio, life. Blephar, blepharo, eyelid. Blephar, blepharo, eyelid. Calc, calco, calcium. Calc, calco, calcium. Cardi, cardio, heart. Cardi, cardio, heart. Carp, carpo, wrist. Carp, carpo, wrist. Cephal, cephalo, cephal, cephalo, head. Cervic, cervico, the neck or the cervix. Cervic, cervico, neck or cervix. Chol, cholo, bile, gall. Chol, cholo, bile, gall, like gallbladder. Cholangi, cholangio, bile duct. Cholangi, cholangio, bile duct. Cholcyst, cholcysto, gallbladder. Cholcyst, cholcysto, gallbladder. Chonder, chondro, cartilage. I might be pronouncing these wrong. Chonder, chondro, cartilage. Chrome, chromo, color. Chrome, chromo, color. Coagul, coagulo, clotting. Coagul, coagulo, clotting. Col, colo, colon. Col, colo, colon. Colp, colpo, vagina. Colp, colpo, vagina. Coron, corono, heart. crown encircling structure, corone, corono, heart, crown encircling structure, cost, costo, rib, cost, costo, rib, crani, cranio, skull, crani, cranio, skull, cry, cryo, cold, cry, cryo, cold, cutane, cutaneo, skin, cutane, cutaneo, skin, cyan, cyano, blue, cyan, cyano, blue, cyst, cysto, bladder, or sac or cyst, cyst, cysto, bladder, sac, cyst, dipple, diplo, double, dipple, diplo, double, dent, dento, tooth, dent, dento, tooth, derm, dermo, skin, derm, dermo, skin, dermat, dermato, skin, dermat, dermato, skin, encephal, encephalo, brain, encephal, encephalo, brain, enter, entero, intestine, enter, entero, intestine, eosin, eosino, rosy red, eosin, eosino, rosy red, episi, episio, the vulva, episi, episio, vulva, erg, ergo, work or expenditure of energy, erg, ergo, work or expenditure of energy, eryther, erythro, red, eryther, erythro, red, ester, estro, female, ester, estro, female, fasci, fascio is the fascia, fasci, fascio is fascia, fet, feto, fetus, fet, feto, fetus, gaster, gastro, stomach, gaster, gastro, stomach, gingiv, gingivo, gums, gingiv, gingivo, gums, glee, glio, glue of the nervous system, glee, glio, glue of the nervous system, glial cells, gloss, glosso, tongue, gloss, glosso, tongue, glyc, glycy, sugar, glucose, glyc, glycy, sugar, glucose, glycose, glycoso, sugar, sweet, glycose, glycoso, sugar, sweet, gynic, gyneco, woman, female, gynic, gyneco, woman, female, hem, hemo, blood, hem, hemo, blood, hemangi, hemangio, blood vessel, hemangi, hemangio, blood vessel, hemat, hemato, blood, hemat, hemato, blood, hepat, hepato, liver, hepat, hepato, liver, hydro, hydro, sweat, hydr, hydro, sweat, home, homeo, same, consistent, unchanging, home, homeo, same, consistent, unchanging, hyster, hystero, uterus, hyster, hystero, uterus, cal, cali, potassium, cal, cali, potassium, curat, curato is the cornea, and it also means hard or horny, as in like a hard horn. Curat, curato, hard, hard horn, cornea. Kinesi, Kinesio, movement. Kinesio, movement. Labio, lip. Labio, lip. Lacrimo, tears, tear duct. Lacrimo, tears, tear duct. Lacto, milk. Lacto, milk. Leparo, abdomen. Leparo, abdomen. Leuco, white. Leuco, white. Linguo, tongue. Linguo, tongue. Lipo, fat. Lipo, fat. Litho, stone. Litho, stone. Mammo, breast. Mammo, breast. Masto, breast. Masto, breast. Meto, opening passage. Meto, opening passage, like your auditory meatus. Milano, black. Milano, black. Meno, menstruation. Meno, menstruation. Metro, uterus. Metro, uterus. Do you want to come over here, baby girl? You can join me. Myo, muscle. Myo, muscle. Mike or Mick, myco, fungus. Myco, fungus. Myello, bone marrow or spinal cord. Myello, bone marrow or spinal cord. Myringo, eardrum. Myringo, eardrum. Naso, nose. Naso, nose. Natto, birth. Natto, birth. Natro, sodium. Natro, sodium. Necro, death. Necro, death. Nephro, kidney. Nephro, kidney. Neuro, nervous system. Neuro, nervous system. Neutro, neutral. Oh, neutro is neutral. All sounds alike. Nocti, night. Nocti, night. I have no idea how to say this one. Nicotalo, night vision. Nicotalo, night vision. Oculo, eye. Oculo, eye. Odonto, tooth. Odonto, tooth. Onycho, nail. Onycho, nail. Oophor, we were taught how to say this, I forget. Oophor, oophor, ovary. Ovary. Ophthalmo, eye. Ophthalmo, eye. Opto, eye and vision. Opto, eye, vision. Optico, eye, vision. Optico, eye, vision. Oro, mouth. Oro, mouth. Orchido are the testes. Orchido are the testes. osteo, bone. Osteo, bone. Otto, ear. Otto, ear. Ovo, egg, the ovum. Ovo, egg, ovum. Oxo, oxygen. Oxo, oxygen. Papillo is the optic disc. Papillo, optic disc. Patho, disease. Patho, disease. Phaco, lens of the eye. Phaco, lens of the eye. Phagio, eat or swallow, with a G. Phagio, eat or swallow. Phagio, with an S, speech, speaking. Phagio, speech, speaking. Phlebo, vein. Phlebo, vein. Photo, light. Photo, light. Freno, diaphragm. Freno, diaphragm. Planto, sole of the foot. Planto, sole of the foot. Polio, gray matter of the brain or spinal cord. Polio, gray matter of the brain or spinal cord. Procto, anus and rectum. Procto, anus and rectum. Pulmono, lung, air. Pulmono, lung, air. Pio is pus. Pio is pus. Piello is the renal pelvis. That's the funnel-shaped part of the kidney that collects urine. Piello is the renal pelvis. Reno, kidney. Reno, kidney. Rhino, nose. Rhino, nose. Rightito, wrinkle. Rightito, wrinkle. Salpingo has two meanings: fallopian tube and eustachian tube, which is in your ear. Salpingo can mean fallopian tube or eustachian tube. Sclero, hard. Sclero, hard. Sebo, oil. Sebo, oil. Sphygmo, the pulse. Sphygmo, the pulse. Spiro, breathing. Spiro, breathing. Spondilo, vertebra. Spondilo, vertebra. Stetho, chest. Stetho, chest. Tenno, tendon. Tenno, tendon. Thrombo, clot. Thrombo, clot. Toco, labor. Toco, labor. Toxo, poison. Toxo, poison. Toxico, poisonous, poison. Toxico, poisonous. Tympano, middle ear, tympanic membrane, eardrum. Tympano, tympanic membrane, middle ear, eardrum. Urine, urinary tract. Urine, urinary tract. Urethra, urethra. Vascule, vasculo, blood vessel. Vascule, vasculo, blood vessel. Vas, vaso, vessel or duct, tubular structures, the vas deferens. Vas, vaso is the vas deferens, or a vessel or duct, tubular structures. Ven, veno, vein. Ven, veno, vein. Vitri, vitrio, glassy. The clear gel filling the space between the lens and retina. Vitrer, vitrio, glassy. Clear gel filling the space between the lens and retina. Vulve, vulvo, vulva. Vulve, vulvo, vulva. Zer with an X. Zer, zero, dry. Zer, zero, dry. Woohoo!